How to fix Apple Watch not charging. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and check the basics. Make sure the charger is connected properly, so plug the charging cable firmly into a power adapter and then into a working outlet. See if that fixes your issue or not, and if not, then check the charging puck. Make sure the magnetic charging cable is properly aligned on the back of your Apple Watch. The Apple Watch should display a small lightning bolt on the screen if it's charging. If not, then go ahead and clean the back of your charger and your watch. Dust, sweat, or lotion residue can block charging. You can wipe both the surfaces with a soft, slightly damp, lint-free cloth. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then you can try a different power source or cable. So you can try using another Apple Watch charger if you have one, or you can try charging from a computer's USB port or a different power brick. Also, you can try to force restart your Apple Watch if your issue is not fixed. So, press and hold both the digital crown and the side button together for 10 to 15 seconds and release when you see the Apple logo. This often fixes temporary software glitches, preventing charging. Also, open Apple Watch application on your iPhone and then tap on the general option you see there and then tap on software update. Go ahead and update if the update is available. Also, remove any protective case, band, or metal accessories that might block the charger's contact points. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then you might need to contact Apple support for further assistance. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Apple Watch not charging. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.